We're at day 5 and honestly I'm so proud of myself. I've been regular so far. First, fingers crossed it keeps on going for the week, and fingers crossed it keeps on going for the year. Yesterday was Christmas, so a big part of my morning was kind of harsh. Today I don't think we'll have time to go out. I really wanted to, but I think it's going to be too late and it's going to be dark too fast. I found a shelf on Facebook Marketplace, but I'm still waiting for my host parents' answer because logical that I asked for their opinion. It's their house. They don't want like any type of furniture in their house. But if they answer for the end of the day, maybe I'll go get it. It's a 20 bucks shelf black where I'll be able to put all my books and decorate a little. Today we're focusing on redecorating my room, but tomorrow for sure we're going thrifting. Yes, because I want new clothes and I want to get rid of everything that I really don't use. I know there is stuff that suits me well, that are easy to wear, that I find comfortable. I think I'm out of my era of trying to find something original. I'd rather find original and easy to wear, kind of. I don't know, it's kind of like my relationship with clothing is kind of like confusing, but we'll figure it out. No matter what, we're going thrifting tomorrow and that's gonna be lots of fun. Right now I need to get out of my PJs, and let's meet in a minute to look at the board for my environment. Also, talking about environment, I bought not a long time ago some candles for each room that I use. I'm trying to be very careful again because like candles, you don't play with fire, but it does help a lot to have like an atmosphere for my bathroom, an atmosphere for my room, and an atmosphere for my kitchen. So there's this. In terms of environment, smell, like I have already everything. And second is just going to be like the aesthetic, how I want it to look like. We're gonna look at this, but again I will be limited for this video knowing that I'm an au pair. But for you, if you're redecorating at the same time, that's your moment to like try to figure out what vibe you want. And also I think I might do it when I finally get my apartment this year, but I think also doing it one big time of being like, this is how I want it to look like, and buy the furniture once and not change 100 times. Like this, you don't think about spending. You're not like, oh, and I need this, and then you always somehow need more. I feel like if you do it one shot and you do like everything at once, you won't have this feeling of like, oh, now that I bought this I want to buy this, oh, now that I bought this I want to buy this. If you do it one shot, it's like, okay, I got everything and now I'm fine. Also, I just picked it up. I finally received the Apple Pencil Pro that I ordered. It was one of those open boxes, you know, things that were already opened and used a little bit. Like this, I get it for less expensive. It avoids to waste it. After all these things, all those troubles, it's over. I have everything. I'll be able to draw again, and you have no idea how happy it makes me. All right, unboxing, and then I go change and we'll take care of my room. I'm opening it so bad. It's mostly the same design than the previous one. They probably just changed it so that they could sell more. We know how Apple works. Apple Pen updated. I can't wait to start drawing again. Hopefully I'll be able to sell some of my drawings on this Etsy shop I was talking about. And yeah, there we go. Today we're gonna focus on environment. We talked about those 3 rooms that I have: kitchen, bathroom, and room. Right now I'd say the main issue is that I can't really fully redecorate it because it's not my place. I live at someone else's house, so unfortunately I can't move everything. I did ask my host parent if I could add a shelf, which hopefully will be accepted. They said no, it's fine. Honestly, it's not that big of a deal. But in my vision board for 2026, I have this subcategory called safe space. It's just like basically how I want my place to look. As you can see on most of them, there's like those fake leaves, and I have many of them. I found them on a secondhand online store a long time ago, and honestly, I was so happy to find them because the last thing I wanted was to buy those from like Temu or whatever the other stores are called, but you know, those type of stuff. So I have them. I just have to figure out where to place them in the room, especially because it's a very big room, so it's hard to decorate. I have a few ideas. I also wanted to decorate like on this lamp, put some leaves on it. I wanted to add some drawings and maybe some letters and dried flowers because I love to dry flowers. I just need to set them up on my wall. But mostly that's the only type of decoration I'll be able to do because again, it's not my place and I can't really remodel everything. But know that in 7 months, I'm definitely gonna do a like move-in video of my new apartment. I don't know if it's gonna be in the US or in France. I'm still planning for next year, but it will definitely look like something a bit this with like plants, black and white, this kind of vibe. I love it. And also, I don't know if you remember, we talked about journaling and how the only thing that I didn't do as I journaled, like I did small journaling, but I didn't actually do like daily journaling of like actually writing sentences. My day was like this. Well, I guess my boyfriend just said bet and gave me this. So it's a traveling journal that I can take wherever, and not only can I reuse it because so the leather, he did it himself with little stuff here. It's perfect for my creative mind. I can put 6 books in there and remove them whenever because there's just like elastics that hold them up. I feel like I'm a traveler in like middle age or something, and it's so cool. Anyways, so for 2026 I have my journal, my first journal. Plus it's like the one that's inside, the first one that I'll get, it's super like bland, so I can just decorate it if I want it, leave it like this if I want it, and then I'll write everything inside. Ta-da! I'm really happy. It's really cool. I love it. Look who's here. Uh-oh. back on. All right, we're gonna decorate this girl with these lovely leaves. So, okay, let me go get some tape. I also made popcorn earlier. I'm bringing it here. Snacking is not good though. It's okay. Once in a while, from time to time, why not? Ta-da! Is it good? I don't know. What I was thinking for the letters and dried flowers is put them like on this wall. And see here, we already have one. And I have more here. Roses. And I have more letters to put on that wall. Let's do it. I have all those letters to set up on my wall, and now that I think about it, I don't know why I never decorated my wall with letters. There's 2 on the wall. Look at this. There's 2 and it looks so good. Look at this ribbon I'm using. The doggy ripped off the... Honestly, it's just the surrounding, but like, my goodness, this guy. Guys, I just stepped in my room and I could see this letter. It's absolutely so cute. I love it. Also, this art, I got it in Savannah. It was made from an artist and poet, gay poet Bo, and he was so sweet. So go support him on Instagram. He's really cool. I did a big part of the decoration. This is gonna be the main part, really. Oh, I love this drawing. It's so pretty. I think I'll add more leaves like this, kind of like here and there, but most of it is done. I'll try to show you once I'm finished completely, and I'll really say goodbye. And tomorrow is the big day. We'll try to make more drawings because I feel like it's empty here. It's empty down there. So I'll add more drawings. And to my friends, send me letters. At least you'll know your letters won't end up in a drawer. I realize I kind of didn't show you guys, but this is the result of like the decoration part. All my books here. My host parent said it's okay for me to buy a shelf and put it here. So I probably will go get bookshelf on Marketplace either today or tomorrow. But no matter what, we'll find some time to set it up later. I think this is kind of like the cozy art corner. Because I don't have a desk, it's like a good place to create and stuff. I love the little letter wall. Honestly, I think it's the best part. I think it's gonna be all for today. It might have been another short video, but at least I'm showing up every day so far, so I'm pretty happy about that. Hope it keeps going, and yeah, see you tomorrow.